everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. So we're going to do this shrimp boil with corn, shrimp obviously, and potatoes. But before we do any of that, I need to prepare the water. So we could go get a shrimp and crab boil. All the stores sell it. It's like my dog barks every time at this time. Or you can make your own. Yours is really simple. For me, I take some basil leaves with stems. I'm going to break them, dump it in. Okay, fennel seeds. I would say a half teaspoon, maybe a little more. Throw it in. Okay, this is dried cumin. It kind of looks like fennel seeds. It has that licorice smell that you get in all the crab boils. They use mustard seed and some use cumin. So put that in. Coriander. I always say it wrong. Love this. These are wonderful. I could eat them like popcorn. So just throw those in. Now, our pot's not that big because it's just 3 of us. So 3 slices of fresh ginger. If you don't have fresh, go ahead and get half teaspoon of dried. Okay, now I have just a small cayenne pepper. We're not doing the hot one. Taylor will throw a habanero in here. I'm breaking it in half and I'm just throwing it in. Don't eat it. Okay, now I have some lemon vervain. Very good, very edible. I have it for teas. I'm also breaking in half. Why am I breaking in half? So it kind of bruises and it lets the stuff out, all the flavors. And 1 lemongrass. If you don't have this stuff, don't worry about it. Just throw it in. I am putting a tablespoon of salt, which seems like a lot, but you'll probably add more. And the last thing, and do as much as you want on garlic. So I probably have, I'm going to go by 4. And these are medium size, they're not really large. So all you have to do, you don't even have to peel these if you don't want to. Just take a knife and squish them. So that's going to release all the flavors. You don't have to eat these, it just makes the water smell amazing. So that's all you have to do. And then I close it. Now, if I'm having a really large party, I put some white wine. I'm out of white wine. I could put red, but white wine for me is the best in there, but you don't need it. And if you have some mustard seeds, throw about a half teaspoon in it. Now this pot's only filled up to here, so it's not very large. I'm going to let this simmer for a good hour. You could do it in the morning or even the day before. Okay, I'll see you in a little while. If I could turn this off. My daughter could get this going so well. Hey everyone. Okay, so this is the deal. Yesterday I started our water for our shrimp boil. Then I got on Zoom with my best friends, Martin and Howard. And so today we are going to do the shrimp boil.
We ate cake for dinner yesterday.
Yeah, it was a great birthday. So anyway, in this, while I was on Zoom, Taylor sauteed some round potatoes in some
olive oil
and salt, and then split them and put them in here so they're cooked. Now, I don't like mushy corn, but I want the flavor of this. So what we do is we microwave this and basically let it get al dente. So depends on how many you do. 5 minutes, I guess.
Roughly 5
Yeah.
minutes.
So then she's gonna cut them in half and it's gonna go into our boil. At the same time, pretty much, we have our mussels and shrimp. Yum. And it's going in there. So,
It should be delicious.
yeah, like about 10:30 last night, we looked at each other, are you starving? Yeah, but I don't want to do it.
No.
So, okay, so you want to throw those in? Is it going? We could put it in for a minute. Oh, it's not on. Okay, I'm gonna let that boil for 1 second, and then we'll be right back as soon as I find this. Okay, it never works for me. Anybody gets a new one.
Alright, welcome
All
back.
right, we're back. Okay, so everything looks great in there. The potatoes are done. Now the seafood goes in. We're gonna close it back up. The dogs are staring at us. So we'll be back in 1 second.
Alright, we're gonna plate it up.
We could either dump it or just take it out. It's gonna get hot. Yeah.
Yo, well, Mama came that out in Grammy with all the stuff. Yo, here. Yo, our kitchen pretty dirty, but
Stefan.
but we didn't clean it up.
Say we've been cleaning today.
We
Okay,
haven't.
cooking for 3 days.
It's
We got
really
behind.
hard.
We trying to do the fun stuff.
Usually it's clean, but
And you want to see me on TV dancing? I got a dance class gonna come up one time. And
look better.
you don't want to see it, it's really hard to see. But I can do pretty good. Yo, I'm going out. I'm gonna spin out. I'm gonna spin back. Now I spin back and spin gone. Spin back, spin gone. Spin back, spin gone.
All right, come on over here.
Spin gone.
We're all done.
We're all done. We're ready to eat. And thank you for being here for my birthday.
Yes,